Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be making the best of Sons of Unicron, so tell me down below what you wanna see for the next episode. I'm gonna be doing this all this week, so yeah, on to the video.
Just hit that first beat hard, alright? You cruising down the street.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Hey, that was dope, eh?
Straight out of crazy motherfucker named Ice Cube from the gang with attitude.
You have a unique voice. The world needs to hear it.
We can keep going, man. We can take over the world.
As I leave, believe I'm starving, but when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of 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 I'm coming straight out of until the battle's won. No one's gonna get something to us. Into each other we put our trust.
With you beside me, we'll make it through.
It's a brand new day. We have turned the page. Never knew how much I needed somebody to help me this way.
All alone, we will never be. The two of us are holding the key. We see today a world we couldn't see. And with you, I have found myself. Now there's no somehow.
Tell us what Megatron is attempting to build, before we are forced to rely upon less civil methods of interrogation.
As I leave, believe I'm stomping, but when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of, straight out of, straight out of, straight out of.
Scrap this.
This is not good. Megatron, grab my balls.
Not gay though.
No, you idiot, grab my dragon balls.
Not gay though.
Tell Yeti to get ready for an attack. And gather the Sons of Unicron.
Few inches later.
Guys, what's that? I've been waiting for you. I won't let you pass. Why not?
So now you are sideways servant, isn't he like your fifth master?
I am not serving him, I'm just working with him.
I sure haven't heard that before.
Mate, stop playing, it's time to rock.
You're right. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1, go!
As I leave, believe I'm stomping, but when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of, 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 I'm coming straight out of. Believe I'm stomping.
The power of our song is strong enough to beat you.
Okay, we're just gonna walk. You know, we're just gonna go over here. You guys keep doing your thing. This is not working, Barricade.
Holy dad, Megatron, just keep the music rolling.
Tomorrow for sure.
I just wanted to be famous like Optimus, like Bumblebee.
Like Megatron?
Nah, he is more of a joke at this point.
What? I heard someone speak about me in a bad way.
Megatron, shut up and keep rocking, we are losing the fight.